Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Instagram password. First, on the Instagram app, go to your profile and then tap on the menu button at the top right of the screen. Now tap on Settings at the bottom. Tap Security and then choose Password. Here you can enter your old password and then enter your desired new one. It's not possible to change your password without already knowing your current one. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tutorials.